Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Driveway Engineer. I'm JR. I had to share this with you guys today. I'm going to try to kind of hide the guy's name. I don't really mean to shame him, but, it's funny to me. When I see people hop on the internet and they're like, I want 450 horsepower out of my 5.3. I want 500 tire, whatever random ass goal they make up. And I'm like, where did you get this from? But I actually know where they got it from because everybody has an Uncle Ronnie with a El Camino, the some bitch, special order. Hop cocaine in the rain. Boy, I tell you what, $100 bill on the dashboard, 350 double pump heads. You know the guy. This is the guy. This is the ad. This is the fucking ad. And what happens is unknowing people come along and they think that this is all legit, right? Like they're like, oh my god, so I want to be better than this guy, so I need 500 horsepower. So this is by itself an okay-ish truck. I see you looking. Hashtag. It's an okay-ish truck. It looks like it's been rattle canned. It's definitely been rattle canned. It's fine. A little beater. It's a long bed. What I would call a parts truck. It might offend some of you. But runs on 93. It was built before catalytic converter, so to run on regular gas. Board 30 over with 200 ohm, high top piston. That's the same. That's the same thing, sort of ish. New rod bearing set, new main bearing set, new V power splitter. See the V? They got the V, so there's horsepowers over here and torques over here in the V. Hot tank crankshaft. New manifold set. What the fuck does that mean? You put manifold. You did all this and then put manifolds on it. Stock 273 rear end. Hoosier tires, back only. That's because they're dirt track takeoffs that were $25. Fuckhead. Open headers, no exhaust. 2600 RPM stall. New, used, turbo 400 train. It's like Schrodinger's trans, I guess. Aftermarket Bluetooth, dual Bluetooth radio. These are $13 fucking dollars. That's awesome. Aftermarket speakers behind the seat. I'm sure I'm missing stuff, but I have the paperwork for the motor. I bet he lost it. I bet when you show up to buy it, he lost the paperwork. The guy I got it from says it's pushing 450. Sure he does. They always do. It's a Corvette motor from a cop car that was special ordered from the plant. I'm putting a new trans in so it will be able to be driven again, which I read this as you can't drive it now, then. Runs amazing and sounds great while running. I bet it's open headers, right? So, we get into the truck. I don't know. I never even knew these were a thing. These European style, Altezza style, late 90s, early 2000s taillights on a C10. It's a fine truck. It's, it's okay-ish. It's got a whole fuck ton of Bondo here. I don't know if you guys can see that. I can't, for some reason, zoom on my PC. But, my God, is that just... This is square, which tells me that that is a piece of steel. And Bondoed over. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. She's a good one. It's got Hoosier slurs on it for no fucking reason. Look at this line. Like, did you look at this when you were... And I've hacked some shit together. This is a guy that'll tell you... That'll hop on the internet and tell you do shit properly, get it done right, blah, blah. Done right. Buy once, cry once. So I'm going to bring you guys to the money shot, though. The Sawzall on the cowl is a good shot. This is the money shot right here. One random fucking yellow plug wire, because yellow plug wires make you go faster. Everybody knows that. These center bolt fucking valve covers. This is the engine out of a stock fucking 91 Sierra that his brother-in-law fucking rolled when he was drunk on fucking Natty Ices because they're only $1 out the door. Spray painted every motherfucking thing. It all fucking... yeah. This can be yours for only $5,500, folks. You can just buy your 450 horsepower. So, when you see people online talking, they're trying to beat this guy, like, know that the guy has no... This thing doesn't make 175 horsepower and doesn't fucking move. Happy shopping. By the way, I'm still going to Florida. If you're in the Orlando area, I'm planning to be at the You Pull and Pay or You Pull and Save. It's on like Airline Drive. I don't know if you're in the area. You know where it's at. The people I talked to immediately knew where it was at. I'm planning to be there next Friday, the 30th. So, you know, you can walk the junkyard with me. This cap corner's been patched too, I see. Awesome. It's all patches. Patchy. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Merry Christmas. I don't know if there will be more videos out before Christmas. Actually, I do know there will be more videos out before Christmas, but Merry Christmas. Enjoy your holiday. Maybe I can see some of you in Florida. Looking forward to that. Thanks for watching.